Hi everyone, welcome back to Collier Kids. So today we went to the store and then we bought exciting toys. Well, today I'm doing a YouTube channel because I just, start to. So I'm gonna show you what I bought. It's kind of like technique to drive it. Let's see. Look, a helicopter. It also comes with charging, and I'll just get the charger. This is the charger. Okay, now I'm gonna open it to you guys and show it. I'm not good at opening tape with my nails. Yeah, this drone is so cool that can fly. And it's kind of hard to control it. But it's so sick. So cool. I just need to wait, guys. Okay, let me see if that will work, guys. Oh! It's open. Okay. Okay. The helicopter. What? Wait, oh, I felt something. Wait. Ah, come on, get out. Wait, just one moment to get this out. Wait. Come on, get out. Ooh, the controller. Wait, I got it. I got it. We don't need this box anymore. Okay, wait. Much better. So this is the remote controller. Looks so sick. See? So cool. This is where we put the batteries in. Now let's check out this helicopter. Uh-oh. Wait. Just gotta... guys, just 1 second, please. Guys, I'm back because, like, one of the helicopter sides have to be cutted. Now, this is how the helicopter looks like. My favorite color is blue. Always. I love the color blue. So, I'm going to see if this, might work. Nope. Oh, I know. Does it plug in? Wait, guys. In a sec. Okay, guys. Now we know we need battery. So, 1 sec. Guys, now I'm putting the battery in. Now I'm going to go ahead. Put the battery in. Let's see. This goes this way. This one goes this way. This one goes this way. Looking good so far. And this one goes this way. Now I'm going to see. It's working. It has a red light. I'm just going to go ahead and turn that off because I don't want to, waste the battery. Now I'm going to go ahead, close it. Come on. Oh! Okay, I closed it. Wait. Oh, the thing is like showing some like red in the inside, so that means it doesn't have any, charge. Oh, guys, it works. Oh, guys, it works. Oh, guys, I never done this, but It's going going somewhere else. So now, that's the end of my video about these two. Bye, and see you next time.